sheer bliss is what you'll find at 33 Babiana Street. This is where you come home and you feel at home. It has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 living areas, one being an oversized media room, gourmet kitchen, butler's pantry. Let's go and have a look. Seen what's inside, you know how beautiful this property is, but what you don't know is you get solar power, with ducted air conditioning, you're on a level block of land, school nearby, shops, a hop, skip and a jump, and transport at the end of the street. Call me, I'm Lisa.